In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe email receipts. To get started, log into your Stripe account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the top right corner and click the settings icon. This is where Stripe keeps most of the account level options you'll need for payment notifications and customer communication. From the settings area, go to Business Settings and select Customer Emails. This section controls the emails Stripe can automatically send to your customers, so it's the right place to configure receipts and related notifications. When you arrive on the Customer Emails page, locate the Payments section. Here, you'll see options related to payment confirmations and refund messages. Turn on the Successful Payments toggle if you want Stripe to automatically send receipt emails after a payment goes through successfully. This is the key setting that enables payment receipts, and it helps customers immediately receive confirmation of their purchase. If you also want customers to be notified when a refund is processed, turn on the Refunds toggle as well. This can be especially helpful for transparency, since it gives customers written confirmation that their refund has been issued. Next, take a moment to review any additional payment email options available for your account. Stripe may show slightly different settings depending on your account configuration, so it's worth checking what's available and making sure the options match how you want to communicate with customers. After that, scroll down and verify the support email address that customers will see in receipt emails. This is important because if a customer has a question about a charge, this is the contact information they'll use. If the support email needs to be changed, go ahead and update it so the receipts display the correct address. If Stripe prompts you to save your changes, make sure to do that before leaving the page. Saving confirms that your new email receipt settings are active. Once everything is set up, process a test payment using a customer email address. This step helps you confirm that the system is working as expected in a real-world scenario. After the test payment is completed, check that the customer receives a payment receipt email from Stripe. Finally, open the receipt and verify that it includes the correct business and payment information. Double-check details like the business name, payment amount, and support contact so you know customers are receiving accurate, professional communication. Thanks for watching.